okay again.
What's up, guys?
You're saying okay.
Shut up.
Again and again.
I said shut up. You're annoying. Anyways, hello guys. This is me, Subway Train friend here, and we're going to be driving the R38 this time.
You're talking about the R38 train?
Yes, I am. The hell are you talking about?
I'm not really sure what you mean by that.
It's a type of subway train.
Can you be more specific?
No. Come on. Finally, start.
You're saying hi again?
No, you're not. Your son it was screaming.
You're saying hey again.
Shut up. We're going to pretend it's the train 081. Like end of line.
You're saying something about a trend ending up Blin?
Why are you saying this?
Why is who doing what? You're saying okay again.
Please stand clear of the doors.
You're just saying yeah again.
Will you stop that?
You're still just saying yeah over and over again.
Leave me alone. Why do you keep bothering me?
You're saying you're bothering someone?
Will you stop? Okay, we're on underground. We're in underground.
You're saying yeah again.
Like and subscribe.
You're saying you can surprise someone?
Shut your mouth. No.
You're saying you can surprise someone? You're saying no again. You're saying no again.
Hold on.
You're
guys.
saying...
Ooh, look at me.
What about pin instead? No, no! Why is it lagging so much? Why is it lagging?
It doesn't have a kickstand?
God! I'm going to end the video.